Principle of carbon monoxide treatment catalyst. Carbon monoxide treatment catalyst mainly converts carbon monoxide into harmless substances such as carbon dioxide and water through catalytic oxidation reaction. In this process, the active components of the catalyst can reduce the activation energy of the reaction, allowing the reaction to proceed at a lower temperature and pressure, thereby improving the conversion efficiency. At the same time, the catalyst can also selectively catalyze the oxidation reaction of carbon monoxide, reduce the occurrence of side reactions, and further improve the purity and efficiency of the reaction.